As we cover your health tonight, there's been a spike in cases of whooping cough right here in Louisiana.
There are 2 infants that died recently. As News 15's medical editor Dr. John Lepre explains, the rise in cases comes as Louisiana is seeing a drop in vaccinations.
Louisiana is seeing a rise in pertussis or whooping cough. So tonight, let's take a closer look. This is a highly contagious upper respiratory illness caused by the bacteria Bordetella pertussis. For the first few weeks, symptoms are like any other upper respiratory illness, with a runny nose, low-grade fever, and cough. But after 1 to 2 weeks, this can progress to violent coughing fits lasting 6 weeks or more. Struggling to inhale with swollen airways gives a characteristic whooping sound or stridor. Already this year, Louisiana has seen 110 cases, and 2 infants have died in the last 6 months. Louisiana has seen a steady rise in cases since 2005, and today we sit at the highest levels since 2009. Now, all of this was a huge problem in the 1940s. The vaccine in 1948 and antibiotics in 1950 reduced this about 60%, and for many years we've seen a very low level of activity. However, there's been a decline in vaccination, and just like with measles, we're now seeing a steady rise. The pertussis vaccine is still considered safe and effective. The primary series starts around 2 months old and finishes at 5 years. It loses some of its protection over time, and a booster is then recommended every 10 years. This series is 98% effective in preventing pertussis 1 year out and 70% effective 5 years out. Now, I realize all of this sounds a bit complicated. I relied on our pediatrician for my own children, and so should you. Reporting on your health, Dr. John Lepre, News 15.